Hello friends, and welcome to another unboxing and review. This is the VipBear swivel chair. This chair is crafted with premium high quality faux leather and plush memory foam cushions. Excellent comfort and support. It has a modern barrel shaped silhouette and a sleek black finish. This comes in multiple colors also. Comes pretty much fully assembled here. I like how it's like moving, but no squeaking noise there. Let's test this thing out here. Oh, it's quite comfortable actually. It's got some, almost a little bit of a rock to it, and we can just rotate it around here. Very smooth. It's actually a nice, comfortable little chair here. It's got some good width to it too. So I like how the spinning, just pretty much anywhere, it's gonna fit in a nice little area here. All right, so here we are in the living room, and I just put the chair right over here. So we can set it next to the couches, just enjoy a nice conversation here. Yeah, it's actually really comfortable. This is like a high density, like a foam padding here, so it's really nice. Just kind of relax. I like how when it swivels, it's right within its own little area here. So it has some good back support there too. You can't like recline in this, but I like how it just kind of swivels around. Seems like we got like a nice stitching around here on the edges. This faux leather seems nice and supple, and I like the padding here. This whole thing, this memory foam padding is like that. Look at that. We got like almost 10 inches of padding here, so that's pretty crazy. Yeah, all in all, guys, it's just a nice little comfortable chair here. Goes great with pretty much any little decor that you have, whether it's just in your office. You could put it as like a little bedroom chair to kick back in. All right, turns out this chair was a really nice fit in my son's room here. So just a little area to hang out, read a book or something, and just fits actually really good in here. So I like how no matter where you put it, like that close to the wall there, and when you spin it, it's not gonna hit the wall anywhere. So it's all centered perfectly. Put it in your living room or wherever. It's just a very comfortable little chair. Like it doesn't squeak as it's just rotating and things like that. Yes. Anyways, my friends, thanks so much for watching this review. Have a great day, and we'll see you all next time.